Hi, my name is Antonia, and I have prepared a discussion about the paper I found regarding the social environment. So the title of the paper is Social Influence on Obesity, the current knowledge, emerging methods and direction for future research and practice from the journal Current Nutrition Reports, written by Smith, Zivich, and Frerish. The main objective of this research was to review and examine recent literature regarding social influence on weight, as individuals tend to be socially connected with those people with similar weight and obesity status. And so this information is and will be very helpful for now, but also mostly for future research and intervention to help fight the obesity and help prevent the obesity, and also help people who suffer with obesity. So the questions this research was seeking to answer were if individuals change their behavior mainly because of shared norms within social networks, social comparison to others, or by observing the behaviors of social ties. Does recent research continue to support social network influence on body weight, and what specific topics are found to be major knowledge gaps by previous reviews? What are common used methods to study social influence? And how are specific mechanisms of social influence being evaluated? And what population have been included in social influence studies? So this paper was a review and was using research and experiments regarding social aspect of obesity from PubMed, Sociological Abstract, and PsychoInfo, which were published within last 5 years. So the key findings and the results of this research or the review paper was that there is a strong relationship between social ties and influence on obesity, and especially the supportive social ties are associated with greater weight loss, and having harmful unsupportive social ties are associated with weight gain during the intervention and also during the entire lifetime. And having more casual friends who were overweight and greater social network acceptability of unhealthy eating were both associated with less weight loss and more weight gain. There is a strong association between the behavior modeling mechanism, eating behaviors, and social norm of body size and fast food consumption, which is very interesting, I think. And partners' weight changes are related, and it's possible to that intervention effects may spill over from one partner to another, as there is a correlation of what we eat and how we want to look like, what our beliefs and desires according to people we are around and we live with, and partners are almost always together, such as family and parents. This research draw a conclusion that obesity, weight, and dietary behaviors of an individual are influenced by social ties, and it's critical to develop high-quality weight loss and obesity prevention intervention that leverage social network, but conducting more longitudinal and social network studies to more diverse populations, because there were researches that were not enough done into the depth for different ethnic groups or populations or different age groups. And my interpretation of this article is that I think it was a very interesting review paper which grabbed the topics of obesity from different perspectives, using and reviewing, comparing different research articles from the past, and also we draw a conclusion about their findings and maybe what was not the best in them, how can it be done better in the future, and what we can learn from it. Gaining more knowledge, what everything is considered a social aspect was also very interesting. And this way I was able to learn even more what everything can contribute to obesity and what different methodology and experiment setting can be used to examine obesity and factor group contributing to its increase, or also intervention uh, that would promote the decrease in obesity. And for this class, an understanding of the child obesity and human development, I think this uh, review and the whole idea about child obesity and how social aspects uh, contribute to developing the obesity and then developing individuals, but also as a society altogether. I think it was a great idea, and this really supported the idea of high correlation of social ties influence on developing obesity and self-picture, as well as urge the need of application of intervention and the need of further research. And I think it is important to understand that obesity is a combination of physical and psychological aspects where feeling support and help is inevitable part of health and well-being overall. There are still some limitations in the research. More testing, more long-term approach in experiments, research and interventions is necessary to be developed and implemented for helpful and useful interventions. Also, the research found some articles with contradictory findings which need to be reassessed, and that's why I mentioned that there is a need for more longitudinal studies with more diverse populations and also within more groups. Here is the reference. Thank you.